Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 59. In the last lesson, you learnt the 5 main uses of the present simple tense. You learnt the basics of spelling and pronunciation of the verb endings. In this lesson, you finish your study of the present simple. You will learn the 3 spelling rules and the 3 pronunciation rules for the way you write and say the verbs. Rule 1. If the base of the verb ends in a consonant plus y, the y changes to I and we add es. Rule 2. If the base of the verb ends in ch, s, double s, sh, x, z, or o, the ending is es. For every other verb, the ending is simply s. That wasn't so bad, was it? Now let's see the pronunciation rules. Rule 1. If the base of the verb ends in p, k, or t, add s. 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 Rule 2. If the base of the verb ends in ch, s, double s, sh, x, or z, the ending is es and sounds like uz. For every other verb, the ending is s and sounds like z. Remember, this is only for the third person. He, she, or it. Here are some examples of the spelling rules. And now some examples of the pronunciation rules. Rule 1. Base of the verb ends in p, k, or t. Tadek always dips his biscuit in his tea. Farhat always picks the same numbers in the lottery. Our local shop accepts credit cards. Rule 2. Base of the verb ends in ch, ch, s, or double s, sh, sh, x, x, or z, z. John catches colds easily. Emily busses the kids to school. I think Kathy misses Pretty. Jacob never washes the dishes. Our dog always relaxes by the fire. Sparkling water fizzes when you open the bottle. Rule 3. For everything else, the ending is an S, but sounds like a Z. 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 When Dad comes home, Lily runs out to meet him. Jaime never fills the kettle. Because Mary sings so well, she is in the choir. Task 1. Spelling. Draw this table on a sheet of paper. Write these verbs under the correct ending. Task 2. Pronunciation. Draw this new table on a piece of paper. Write these verbs in the correct columns. That's the end of lessons on the present simple tense. Next time, you will learn how to use the present continuous tense. See you in lesson 60. Goodbye for now.